Good morning, guys. Today we're going to talk about long division using the box method, and then I'm also going to show you how the box method connects to place value and understanding how division works. So we're going to start here. We're looking at this 1 in the thousands place, and you can see here that this is my 1,000, and I'm trying to take 1,000 and divide it into 3 equal groups. So I'm thinking about 1 divided by 3. Well, you can see if I only have 1 that I don't have enough to put 1 into each group. 1 divided by 3 is 0. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to multiply to check and see out of what I started with, how much was I able to put into a group. 3 times 0 is 0. So I still have 1,000 left. So using the box method, what I'm going to do is I'm going to scoot this 1 up here with the 5. And what that means is that I'm taking this 1,000 and I'm regrouping it as 10 hundreds. Okay, so now you can see I have 15. That 15 represents these 1500s down here in our place value chart. Okay, so now I'm asking myself, what's 15 divided by 3? Well, I know that 15 divided by 3 is 5. So I'm going to record my 5 up here. And then down here, just to show you what I'm doing, I'm taking and I'm putting 500s into each of my 3 groups. So you can see that we've done that in the place value chart also. So then I'm going to multiply to see how many of those hundreds I was able to put into groups. So I'm going to multiply 3 times 5 is 15. And I'm going to subtract to see if I still have any hundreds left that I'm going to have to regroup. I don't have any left, so you can see down here that I was able to put all of these hundreds into groups. So I'm going over here, I'm moving my 0 over to just show that I didn't have any hundreds that I was moving over into this other group. So now I'm looking at, I have 110, and I need to divide that equally into 3 groups. So if I have 110, I can't put that equally into 3 groups without regrouping. So up here in my quotient, I'm going to record a 0. Because I'm not finished, but that shows me that there are going to be 0 10s down here in my place value chart. There are going to be 0 10s in each group. So that's why I need the 0 in my quotient. So how many 10s did I put in each group? Well, 3 times 0 is 0. So I'm going to subtract, and then I'm going to move this up. And what I just did was I took this 10 right here, and that represents regrouping it as ones. So now I have 12 ones, and I'm going to ask myself, okay, well, what's 12 divided by 3? Well, I know that 12 divided by 3 is 4. So I'm going to multiply 3 times 4 to see if I have anything left over. I do not. So what I did was I took, out of my 12 ones, I put 4 into each group. And I did not have anything left over. So my quotient for this problem, 1,512 divided by 3 equals 504. Okay, I could check my work by going back and reading this backwards as a multiplication problem. 504 multiplied by 3 should equal 1,512.